Soraya Jade Bevis, born the 17th of August 1992, is an English professional wrestler. As of April 2026, she is signed to WWE, where she performs on the SmackDown brand under the ring name Paige, and is one half of the current WWE Women's Tag Team Champions with Brie Bella in their first reign. She is also known for her tenure in All Elite Wrestling AEW from 2022 to 2025, where she performed under her real name Soraya and was a one-time AEW Women's World Champion. In 2005, at the age of 13, Bevis made her debut under the ring name Brittany Knight for her family's World Association of Wrestling VAV promotion. She went on to hold several championships on the European independent circuit. After talent scouting in England, WWE signed Bevis in 2011, and she began wrestling in its developmental systems, debuting in Florida Championship Wrestling FCW in 2012 and later going on a winning streak in NXT, culminating in her becoming the inaugural NXT Women's Champion. She made her surprise debut on the main roster in 2014 and immediately won the Divas Championship, making her the youngest Divas champion and also the youngest female champion in company history at the age of 21. She is also the only woman to hold both a WWE and an NXT Women's Championship simultaneously. In 2015 and 2016, Bevis went on hiatus due to injury, undergoing neck surgery in October 2016. She suffered another neck injury in December 2017 that forced her into retirement. Following her retirement, she remained with WWE as a contributor to WWE-related programs and fulfilled managing roles until her contract with the company expired in July 2022. In September 2022, she signed with AEW and made her debut for the company at Grand Slam, where she was the leader of the Outcast stable. At All In, she won the Women's World title in London. After her contract with AEW expired in 2025, she returned to WWE as an in-ring performer at WrestleMania 42 in April 2026. In 2012, Channel 4 produced a documentary about Bevis and her family called The Wrestlers, Fighting with My Family, which was later adapted into the biographical sports comedy drama film Fighting with My Family 2019. Starring Florence Pugh as Bevis, she ranked No. 1 in Pro Wrestling Illustrated's Female 50 in 2014 and was named Diva of the Year by Rolling Stone that same year. Soraya Jade Bevis was born in Norwich on the 17th of August 1992, the daughter of professional wrestlers Julia Hammer Bevis and Patrick Bevis. Her older brother Zach, older half-brother Roy, and nephew Ricky are also wrestlers. The family runs the World Association of Wrestling VOV promotion in Norwich, while her mother also owns and operates the Female Lonely Bellatrix Female Warriors BFW promotion in Norwich. Her mother once wrestled while unknowingly 7 months pregnant with Bevis. Bevis grew up in a council house in Norwich, where she attended the Hugh Eat School. As a child, she was scared of wrestling because of the injuries suffered by her family and instead wanted to become a zoologist. From the age of 10, she would occasionally get in the ring and fight her brothers while her father taught her wrestling moves. Bevis's younger brother died when she was 13. At the age of 15, she started working as a bouncer and bartender at her parents' pub while they were away for wrestling bookings. In the mid-2020s, Bevis disclosed that during her childhood, she and her brother Zach were sexually abused by a guest staying regularly at their home. Bevis's parents did not know about the abuse, and Bevis herself was not able to process the trauma until a 2021 phone call with Zach. Bevis has stated the trauma of her abuse contributed to drug abuse later in life. Return to WWE. On April 18, 2026, Bevis, once again competing as Paige returned to WWE at WrestleMania 42, teaming with Brie Bella to replace an injured Nikki Bella in the WWE Women's Tag Team Championship match, marking her first WWE match since December 2017. After Nikki attacked Charlotte Flair with a crutch, Paige would pin Alexa Bliss after hitting Bliss with the Rampage to win the tag titles. Personal life: Bevis resides in Los Angeles and previously lived in Orlando, Florida. On a 2015 episode of the WWE reality television show Total Divas, Bevis acknowledged having previously been with another woman. She was engaged to American musician Kevin Scaff, best known as the guitarist of A Day to Remember. In early 2016, they split up at an unknown date. She became engaged to Mexican wrestler Alberto Del Rio in October 2016 and referred to him as her husband during this time, and many news outlets stated they had been married after a 5-month engagement. They ended their relationship in late 2017. From 2018 to December 2024, Bevis was in a relationship with American musician Ronnie Radke, best known as the lead singer of Falling in Reverse. She has since appeared into Falling in Reverse music videos and performed backing vocals on their song Bad Guy. Bevis cites Stone Cold Steve Austin, Alundra Blaze, Edge, Bret Hart, Lita, Bull Nakano, and Ricky Shee as some of her favorite wrestlers. She has scoliosis, but was unaware that she had the condition until after signing with WWE, when a trainer noticed that her back looked wrong. During her time in NXT, she was in a car accident and required surgery. She has several tattoos, one of which is dedicated to her younger brother who died when she was 13. In March 2017, private nude photos and sex tapes from 2013 featuring Bevis, with fellow wrestlers Brad Maddox, her then boyfriend, and Xavier Woods were leaked online. She responded that she was looking into the future and being happy, and that she was hoping her mistake could help people's future. She later revealed that she suffered from stress-induced anorexia and considered suicide due to the incident. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series.